When it comes to window replacement, it's important to understand how ratings work in order to get the maximum value for your New England home. If you're ready to start shopping for replacement windows, it's crucial to consider these three main energy efficiency ratings. UFactor. UFactor rates the non-solar heat flow through your window, measuring how much heat is lost during the winter and how much is gained during the summer. Windows that are better insulated have a lower UFactor than windows with poor insulation. Solar Heat Gain Coefficient (SHGC). SHGC measures the solar radiation that filters through your window. Lower SHGC levels indicate lower solar heat transmission and more shade inside, while the opposite is true for high SHGC levels. It's important to choose windows with the right SHGC level for your local climate. Air leakage. This rating refers to how much air passes through and around your window. A low air leakage rating means it is well insulated and you're getting great efficiency from your window. Call Solid State Construction today at 508-372-8735 to discuss your New England window replacement options. After all, we've done our window research and only sell the best.